So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix silent button not working on your iPhone. So on the latest iPhones, including iPhone 16, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, there is no silent toggle. But there is this action button which you can configure to be used as silent button. So first of all, make sure that action button is configured to silent mode. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on action button. As you can see here, this is set to no action. Swipe right and select silent mode. Now to silent the iPhone, you need to press and hold the silent button. If you quickly press and release this button, then this won't do anything. But if you press and hold this button, then this will enable silent mode. If I press and hold it again, then this will turn off silent mode. So in case you still face this issue, then force restart your iPhone. For this, press volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold this power button, like this. Now slide it to power off. And this will turn off the iPhone. Now press and hold this power button to turn on iPhone. And now you should be able to use silent button on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.